Let's imagine a strange situation. One morning, you wake up and see a plate in front of you filled with frogs. Yes, live frogs. And not just one type. Some are small and not so scary, but others are big, slimy, and ugly. Now, here's the twist. You have just one task for the day. Eat all frogs on that plate. That's it. What would you do? Would you eat the biggest and ugliest frog first? Or would you start with the smaller ones and save the terrifying ones for the last? This is not my idea, by the way. It's the core message of a brilliant book called Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. Today's video is a review of this powerful productivity book that's packed with timeless time management strategies. Before we dive in, if you are new to this channel, I'm Annapurni who loves to read books and loves to talk about books. In this channel, I will be posting videos related to books. Consider subscribing to my channel if you found it useful. And if you're planning to buy this book, I have provided the book link in the description. You can check that as well. Alright, let's get into the video. We all have tons of tasks and responsibilities. Some people are always busy but never seem to finish what they really need to do. Others keep making big plans to learn something new, to chase their goals, but get stuck saying, let me finish my current work first. And when we look at successful people and wonder how they manage everything, it's not magic. They just follow simple but powerful time management habits consistently. That's what this book offers. 21 simple tips to manage your time better. The chapters are short and beginner friendly, perfect for those new to books or switching from fiction to personal development books. The main principle of this book is choose your most important task first and just do it. Out of your long to-do list, identify the one task that will create the biggest positive impact and start with that. Don't sit and overthink. Don't delay. Just do it with full focus without distractions and finish it. Make this as a habit. Always be consistent with this. Otherwise, it's like reading hard the night before an exam and forgetting everything after it's over. So coming back to the frog analogy, what did you decide? If your answer is eat the ugliest frog first, then you are on the right track. Once you finish that big task first, all the other smaller ones feels easy. You will start to think like, after doing all that, is this even a big deal? That's the trick. Science says that completing an important task releases endorphins in the brain, your body's natural feel-good hormone. This gives you a high, boosts your mood, and motivates you to take on the next task with energy. Now let me share 5 powerful tips from the book that really stood out to me. Tip number 1, set the table. Before you decide which frog to eat, ask yourself, what exactly am I trying to achieve? Clarity is everything. If you don't know your destination, you will waste time on random tasks and ignore the ones that really matter. So, write down your goal, give it a deadline, list all the tasks, big and small, needed to reach that goal. Then, prioritize and make a plan. Once the plan is ready, take immediate action, even if it's small. Don't over-polish the plan. Even an average plan, when acted upon, gives better results than a perfect plan that never starts. And remember, do something every day that moves you closer to your goal. That's how you build momentum. Tip number 2, plan every day in advance. Planning ahead saves time and reduces stress. This book shares a simple 6P formula. Proper prior planning prevents poor performance. Every night before bed, plan your next day. Write your task in a notebook or planner. Your subconscious mind will think about it while you sleep, and you will wake up with better clarity and ideas. Maintain multiple lists. A master list for all big goals, a monthly list for each month's tasks, a weekly list, and finally a daily list to act upon. Checking off tasks daily gives a great sense of achievement and motivation. Tip number 3, practice creative procrastination. You will always have too many tasks, so consciously choose what to delay. Focus on high value tasks and politely say no to the less important ones. Most people do easy low value tasks first, but high achievers identify their ugliest frogs and focus there. So train yourself to say not now to small distractions. This one habit can transform your productivity. Tip number 4, put the pressure on yourself. Imagine someone gives you a free trip to your dream destination on one condition. You have to finish your work and leave by tomorrow. Wouldn't you push yourself and get everything done? That's what successful people do. They create imaginary deadlines to keep themselves accountable. Doing this builds confidence, discipline, and even leaves you with buffer time for emergencies. Tip number 5, maximize your personal powers. Your body is your engine. It needs proper fuel, good sleep, healthy food, and regular exercise. Often we sacrifice sleep or meals to finish tasks, but it backfires. Low sleep equals low performance, junk food equals low energy, skipping exercise equals poor focus. Give your body what it needs and it will give you the energy to perform at your best without burnout. We have only seen 5 out of the 21 amazing tips from Eat That Frog. Each chapter is just 2 to 3 pages long. You can finish one in 10 minutes. This book also explores ideas like the 80-20 rule, ABCD prioritization method, the laws of 3, avoiding the technology trap, and constantly upgrading your skills. It is a must read, especially if you are just starting your personal growth journey or moving from fiction to non-fiction. Once you finish reading, you will never look at your to-do list the same way again. You will start choosing your frogs wisely and eating them one by one. I have added the purchase link for the book in the description. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to my channel for more insightful book reviews and productivity tips. Let's see you all in another video. Bye.